my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's tutorial, I'm making a crocheted headband. This is very convenient for winters and very trendy. If you don't know how to crochet, just follow my steps and it will be very easy for you guys because it's a beginner level crocheted work. So without getting any delay, let's go and start with the video. I'm taking this grey beautiful colored yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Feel free to choose any kind of hook size according to your yarn. Starting with forming a knot, make a loop like this. Insert your hook through the loop and grab the yarn. A knot will form, then just pull the yarn to tighten the knot. From here, I'll start making chains. Just grab the yarn and pull through the loop. That's one. Again, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. I'm going to make 20 chains like so. You can increase or decrease the number of chains according to your desired size. This will be the breadth of the hairband. From here we are going to do single crochet. You can see this loop over here. There are some gaps in every loop. Insert your hook on the first loop. Grab the yarn and pull through. You have 2 chains on your hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through again. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through. You have to do the same process again and again now. Here our first row is completed. For the second row, flip the entire piece and do the same process. Repeat this single crochet over and over again until you got your desired length. This is the length of my strap. This is about 20 inches long, but do not go with my measurements because it can vary according to your yarn size, also according to your hook size. So to measure it, just simply put the strap behind your head, pull a little bit, do not pull too much, just a little bit, then cover this portion like this along with your ears. There should not be any gap in the ends like this. Then comes the joining part, and this is the best part. At last, just cut the yarn and pull through the loop and tighten it. This is how you can secure the end. Now grab the both ends, fold it like so. Then place it like this. Now sew this middle portion with the help of a needle. Just go up and down for 4 to 5 times and secure the end. There are 2 loops on the sides. Then we will simply push down the loops and sew them together. Secure the end at the end, and that's it. So the headband is done, and this is how it looks like. This is going to be stretchable anyway because this is made of wool. So let me just try it. Put it over your head like a normal headband, and like this. I don't know, I don't have a mirror so I can't see myself, but this is the overall idea of my headband. So ta-da! I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you do not left without liking my video and subscribing to my channel. See you again next week. Bye bye.